Tripura's Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Ratan Lal Nath successfully showcased the inspirational achievements of the Tripura Organic Mission at the high-profile international conference in Dubai. His presentation has reportedly impressed Middle Eastern and European buyers, opening new avenues for the state's organic produce in the global market. Minister Ratan Lal Nath attended the Middle East Natural and Organic Product Expo 2025 held at the Dubai World Trade Center from November 17 to 19 to strengthen relationship between Tripura and the Arab world in organic farming, trade expansion and investment cooperation. The event, a convergence of top global organic buyers, producers, investors, technology innovators and government officials, provided a significant platform for Tripura to display its organic potential, garnering widespread interest. Tripura's participation drew international attention to its high-quality export-ready products, including the GI tag Queen Pineapple, Jackfruit, aromatic Kalikosha and Harinarayan rice, bird's eye chili, fragrant Gandharaj lemon, white sesame and foxtail millet. In his address at the prestigious forum, Minister Nath underscored that under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Tripura has emerged as one of India's most advanced organic agriculture states. He also promoted Tripura's non-agricultural natural resources such as the famous agar wood, agar oil, agar perfume and bamboo shoots.
First of all, I showing my respect to Dubai government as because not only Dubai government, people of Dubai, they organized this type of organic expo. So I love Dubai, I like Dubai and I respect Dubai. Distinguished delegates, respected representatives from the global agricultural community, industry leaders and esteemed guests. It is an honor and privilege to represent the state of Tripura from the northeastern region of India. It is now called Seven Sisters of the country. Now newly included Sikkim, also one of the state brother. Now Prime Minister of India called this is Ashma. So at this distinguished gathering, a global hub of trade, innovation and partnership, I stand before you today to share the inspiring story of Tripura Organic Mission, a journey of transformation that reflects India's commitment to sustainable agriculture, ecological balance and global food sector. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Tripura has emerged as one of the most progressive organic farming states in the country. Today, we proudly have 26,400 hectares of land under certified organic farming, engaging over 26,800 dedicated farmers who have transitioned from conventional to sustainable cultivation practices. To empower these farmers and ensure strong value chains, 53 organic farmers producers companies, that is FCIs, FPCs, have been formed across the state. These FPCs serve as the bridge between our farms and the global marketplace, enabling aggregation, processing, branding and direct marketing of certified organic produce. Our Queen Pineapple, a geographical identification, that is GI tagged fruit, and I think it is world famous, I can tell you, and is our signature export product with the natural sweetness of 16 to 20 bricks. It is perfect for table and dessert consumption, while the another item is there, Q variety with 10 to 13 bricks. is ideal for processing canning industries. Equally distinctive is our scented lemon, locally known as Gondras.
The minister concluded by inviting international buyers and investors to participate in the upcoming Organic Buyer-Seller Meet, scheduled to be held in Tripura in January 2026, to explore the rapidly growing organic sector of the state. Minister Nath was accompanied on this trip by Mission Director of Tripura Organic Mission Rajiv Debarma. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.